Given the quadratic function in vertex form, address the following. F of x is equal to -5 times x plus 2 squared plus 5. What are the coordinates of the vertex? This is the equation of a quadratic function in vertex form. So let's take a moment to think about what vertex form looks like. A function, a quadratic function that's in vertex form, will follow the pattern of a times x minus h squared plus k. And the vertex of that quadratic, or that parabola, will be the ordered pair hk. So you can see within the vertex form the values of h and k. For the example that we have f of x equaling -5 times x plus 2 squared plus 5. If we look at the vertex form, the h, which is the x-coordinate of the vertex, follows the minus sign in that formula. So here's the minus sign in that formula, and our value of h, the x-coordinate, follows that minus sign. In the example we have a plus sign. I'm going to rewrite this. Every addition can be written as subtraction in the following way. You could write x minus a negative, and when you subtract a negative, that's the same thing as adding. So now I can see that the value following the minus sign is -2, and that's going to be h. -2 is the x-coordinate of the vertex. And then k is the y-coordinate of the vertex. That's the number that's either added or subtracted on the end here. And that's our value of k. Our k is 5. And we have the vertex of our quadratic being the ordered pair -2, 5. For our next part, we want to know, does the graph open up or open down? So once again, our function is in vertex form, which is f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And in the vertex form, the coefficient a is going to tell us whether the graph opens up or opens down. So for our example, a is equal to -5, and when a is negative, when a is less than 0, the graph opens down, and when a is greater than 0 or positive, the graph opens up. Opens down means your parabola would be facing down like this, or opening down, and opening up would look like this. So because our value of a is less than 0, we know that it opens down. And for the last question related to this function is, what is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Now, when we have a parabola that either faces up or down, so here's an example of facing up or opening up, and here's one of opening down. These parabolas have symmetry around the vertex. So if we draw a vertical line passing through the vertex, we get what's called the axis of symmetry. And this symmetry means that we're going to have a mirror image on either side of that axis of symmetry, a mirror image around the vertex. So if we remember, our vertex is the ordered pair hk. and our axis of symmetry is a vertical line passing through that vertex. So we're going to be able to use the x-coordinate of the vertex to identify the axis of symmetry. From earlier, we found that the vertex was the ordered pair -2, 5. So our axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals -2. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.